We are IoTechWorld, a professional research and manufacturing company. We make AI-based UAV solutions for India. Using our solutions, you can shoot a stable video, police and defense can do surveillance of their area. Using our agriculture drones, you can spray pesticides on the crops. Also, you can spray pesticides on the trees. We have different thermal UV solutions for power grid, power plants, military, and police. We have solutions for disaster management.